Hello friends, this is a 2-mark question on computer networks on topic data link layer. The question reads as follows. The message 101010 is to be transmitted using the CRC polynomial x cube plus 1 to protect it from errors. Then the message that should be transmitted is, as we know, cyclic redundancy check or CRC is used for error detection. This scheme uses a sequence of bits called CRC to detect errors. These CRC bits are appended to the end of original data before transmission. To find the CRC, we use a predetermined divisor. In the question, we are said that the CRC polynomial is x cube plus 1. That means the divisor is 1001, which correspond to this polynomial. Since the divisor is 4 bit, we will have n-1, that means 3 bits of CRC. So let us calculate the CRC using binary division. Here 1001 is the predetermined divisor, whereas 101010 is the original data, and we append 3 zeros to find the 3-bit CRC. Here the CRC generator uses modulo 2 division. That means each bit of the divisor is subtracted from the corresponding bit of dividend without affecting the next higher bit. So let us compute the remainder for this binary division. Initially we subtract the divisor from 1010 and we get 0011. Here the leading 0 is dropped. Then we face the next digit, which is 1. So we try to subtract the divisor from the 0111. Since this is smaller than the divisor, we fetch the next digit in the dividend. So we get 1110 and we subtract it from the divisor, which gives us 111 as the remainder. We then fetch the next 0 and subtract this dividend from again the divisor, which again gives us 111 as the remainder, and we fetch the next digit, which is again 0, and I'll subtract this dividend from the divisor. We get 111 as the remainder. We then fetch the last digit, which is 0, and subtract it again from the divisor. We get 111 as the remainder. Since there is no further digit in the dividend, this is the final remainder and the CRC of the message. So the message that should be transmitted is given by the original message appended by the CRC bits. So the transmitted message would be 101010 followed by 3 ones. So the correct answer to this question would be option B, 101010 111. Thank you.